welcome back to my channel, Drunk Crafts with Paige. I am Paige, and I did also get a haircut. I got rid of the long wedding hair. This week I am taking a break from the wedding cider, and I am back to the good old pomegranate blueberry mics, which is still one of my favorites. And our craft this week, we are doing our final mystery mold resin project. And just a quick recap for anyone who has missed our other 4, I believe. I bought a bunch of 3D silicone molds, which is kind of not the usual thing that we do. We have done more flat surfaces like coasters or wall hangs, so I was very excited about the 3D molds and decided to turn it into a game. I will show you guys the silicone mold, kind of give you any details and some measurements, and you guys can take all that information and try to formulate what you think the mold is going to be of, and then at the end, we'll demold it and you can see if you're right. So if you're interested in joining me for our final mystery resin project, please continue watching. Going out in style, I decided to do the biggest mold last. So here she is. This is the outside of it, really nothing special. And the bottom. And here's the inside, so you guys can see this little middle piece. And if I turn it inside out, it is big enough to turn inside out. This is what we have. Yes, I know. So as far as measurements go, this whole mold is about 4 inches across and 3 inches tall, but the resin portion of it is only maybe like 2.5 inches across, but still pretty much 3 inches tall. And it's covered in cat hair. So use all that information and see if you guys can figure out what the mold is going to be of. But the fun does not stop there. I saved something else for our final mystery mold, and it is the solar color dust. Changes color in sunlight! Exclamation point. This pigment does not change dependent on temperature or glow in the dark, nothing like that. It only reacts to the UV from sunlight. So you can even keep it inside and that light will have no effect on it. But when the sun hits it, that's when the party starts. So this pigment in particular changes from yellow, as you guys can see inside, and out in the sun, it turns to purple, which is one of my favorite colors. So here really quick is a clip of what just the powder looks like. I'm going to be taking it inside, give you guys a good look at this yellow, and then once it goes outside, it is pretty close to an immediate reaction that it changes to purple. And after using the triple thermal dust that we used also by solarcolordust.com, I am very excited to use this actual solar pigment. I am just going to be adding this pigment straight to the resin, mixing it all up, and we're going to get started on making our final mystery resin piece. Our resin piece has finally cured, so it is time for our demolding and our big reveal. I am going to demold it first inside so you guys can take a good look at it in here, and then we will take it outside so you can see the pigments change color. Well, did anybody guess it was gonna be another skull? The middle portion that I showed you guys kind of gave away that it would be a hollow figure, and I think I'm gonna put pencils in it. But did anybody guess that it was gonna be a skull, or I guess a geometric skull at that? I think it's super cool, and obviously when I started taking it out into the sunlight, it almost immediately started changing to the purple color, and by the end of me filming all of those up-close shots, it was just practically 100% purple. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you have been enjoying our mystery mold secret resin project game. If you did enjoy it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. All of my links for my socials are in the description box below for my Instagram, my Facebook, and my PayPal, as well as all of the materials we used in this week's video. I'll see you guys all for the next one. Cheers!